Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete Tango account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Tango application. You can see over here Tango application has been opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, at top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the profile icon. Tap on it. Now, after you do that, you'll be led to the My Account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for settings, at first, you'll be able to find the option for account. Tap on it. Now, after you do that, you'll be led to the account interface. Simply scroll down to the bottom. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for delete account over here. Simply tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to find two options: enable secure mode, delete account. Tap on this option, delete account. Now you'll have to specify the reason. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now tap on this option, delete account, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the confirmation message over here. Your account will be deleted in 30 days. If you log in before, your account will be reactivated automatically. It may take one additional day for Tango to remove all data related to your account. Simply tap on this option, confirm account deletion. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged out of your account and your account will be deleted after 30 days. So that is how you delete Tango account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.